Hi guys, welcome to Active4 channel. Today I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our apps selection. Where is it? There. And we must wait a second to loading in, and there we have list of our all application. Now we must find application which we want to clear. In my case it can be maybe the drive, and we press on it where we look for our storage. Where is there? To clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear only cache, but to clear all storage we press clear data and confirm by delete and we clear it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.